Jamaica,
when I wake
watch
up
this.
in the morning, about 6 o'clock, 6:30, then believe you me, the trauma has begun. You understand me? I couldn't move. I stand in the house, and it came from this direction, in the east direction. You understand me? And slam onto the top of the roof and remove that. Then it go down the road, and after it make a little spin and come and stick up the other race, and I could have just seen one corner like this. I was just staying like this. There's no way I could move. There's no way I could move. One time I go down like this, I say it doesn't make sense because probably anything may come and make a bang. So I stay behind one of the posts inside the house. You understand me? Everything fly from over my head. You see it? And me have to just stand up same way. Me can't do nothing at all. You understand me? The door slam right in and lick off. You understand me? Everything we have on the table just lick off. You understand me? My windows gone, my roof gone, my clothes, everything gone. I'm just standing up to look in. I can't say nothing. I just was asking the good Lord just to save me. You understand me? And he did it. Thank God that our life has been spared, that is the greatest. And we can pick up our pieces and start back all over again.